So today we're doing a music program for the children that come for therapy, and we're doing it with Einstein Buddies, which is a medical student-run club and service learning site. So this particular activity was suggested by Miles King, one of our Einstein Buddies.
Einstein Buddies is organized by med students and the physical therapists here at CERC. And what we do is we join pediatric patients at their physical therapy sessions, and we also organize fun events to engage community building. And we're just encouraging kids as they're on their way to their appointment or coming back to stop and just make a noise with us. It's really great for physical therapy. We're talking about developmental and physical disabilities, like how you interact with this object. It's a very physical object and it brings in a lot of body movements. There's a couple different ways this helps. One, you see where a couple kids are actually doing their session at this event. So their therapist is with them, giving them some tweaks, giving them some challenges to engage their legs or their core while they're playing with the instruments. But in a broader sense, I think this builds community. A lot of these kids, they come to their appointments and they develop really great relationships with their therapists, but they don't really get to meet other kids like them. This is a great way to meet each other and build community. So I've played piano since I was 5 years old. It's always been a source of fun for me. It's a study break. It's a way to connect with friends. So I thought it would be a great way to bring a little bit of that musical side of me to my medicine side by putting this event together. And yeah, bring that same love of music that I have to everyone else. Service learning is a class that we take at Einstein, and it basically gets us interacting with the community, but also contributing to the community that we live in. I think it's important because, as physicians, I hope to be able to contribute to the community I live in and the community I serve in. So it's learning how to do that. What are the areas that need help? What are the areas that I can affect change? And just getting comfortable doing that.
Well, I think it's a great experience to kind of just learn how to talk with kids, learn how to talk with their families. You get to meet the physical therapist, the occupational therapist, all the students that come in, the doctors that are here. So it's great to see just how they're able to coordinate and work together as a team. And obviously we're going to have to do that as physicians. I feel like a lot of times we're very serious in medical school and we're trying to, be on top of our game at all times. So it's nice to just, take a breath and just have some fun.
We had someone who said to us, I had no idea my son was this interested in music. I'm gonna get him lessons. And that was like such a touching moment that, maybe I've introduced music into this life because it's been such a blessing in my life.